Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are installing this cool NoPro bumper onto my NC1 Miata. So this bumper, I got it locally and it was unpainted. So I took it to my local paint shop and got it painted marble white to match my car. As you can see, this bumper looks quite different compared to the NC1 bumper. Everyone knows that the NC1 bumper is super round, super bubbly, it's like non-intimidating. The NoPro bumper, it's super aggressive. Personally, I really like the way this bumper is designed, especially this canard looking fins, as well as this splitter. Another part that I really like is this opening. It's really aggressive, as well as this part where for the tow hook area. This headlight opening accommodates NC2 and NC3 headlights. So this is the NC2 headlight. It will look something like that after you mount it. Looks really good. So I'm holding a NC2 headlight, and this is my NC1 headlight that's currently on the car. The NC2 does stick out quite a bit further, and this corner is a little bit sharper. Versus the NC1, it's more round and it's more flush toward the car. After changing to the NC23 headlights, I'm gonna lose the parking light capability, because on the NC23 they combine the turn signal and the parking light into one light bulb. And I'm using the NC1 wiring harness, so I'm gonna lose the parking light feature at night. But the turn signal still works. Because on the NC1, the parking light and the turn signal are two different bulbs, versus on the NC2 and 3, they are all combined together.
Alright, progress update. The bumper is on. This bumper did go through like the paint shop. I think it's kinda, you can still kinda tell on camera. The shades are a little bit different. It's a little bit more like yellow here. It's more white toned here. But I think Tommy's okay with it. Yeah. For the price that he paid, right? You're pretty okay with it, right? And then I think because of the lighting, the inside lighting versus the outside lighting that you see on camera, it makes it a little bit more obvious. But anyways, the bumper is on, and so right now, Tommy wants to put in these brake ducts looking thing.
These brake ducts.
Yes, they look like this. Right, they're like a few dollars each.
It's just a flange, 2.5 inch. So yeah, this is something I found online, and we just pop it on.
Yeah, they're a few dollars each. I think it actually looks a lot better than if you kept it without anything. So here's a comparison. The right side is without it cut out. The left side is a cutout, and he put in that little duct thing alongside with some rivets. Right?
Yeah.
I think it looks really good. So Tommy's going to go ahead and do the other side as well.
You guys ready to see the final product?
Ooh. Here is the NoPro front bumper mounted, painted, and brake duct installed as well.
Over here you can see like the huge opening for the radiator where the AC condensers. This part of the bumper support beam was white, so I kind of painted it black so it hides it better. It's more stealth. Over here, you can see the tow hook. It still has that feature where you can grab your factory tow hook and screw it in. So I like to push it up a little bit so it doesn't scratch the bumper. So yeah, you can still use the tow hook. And the fitment, it's pretty good. I didn't actually need to do any sort of like body work in order to fit the bumper. All the gaps are really even. All the headlights around here, you don't really see like a big gap. Maybe a little bit here, but then it's like that's without any sort of like body work to make it fit. So I would say like this bumper, in terms of fitment, it's good as is. Over here, notice how actually it kind of sticks out a little bit. I think if you have like really aggressive fitment, it might look better, but I think this is to kind of reduce drag on the tire. I was thinking also maybe putting on this Mazda emblem. Obviously this is how it looks like without the emblem, and this will be the approximate location, and this is how it will look with the emblem. Like which one you guys like better? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or thoughts about the bumper, leave a comment down below. Remember to subscribe and follow us for more spec adventures.